Welcome everyone. Today we are discussing why you should seriously consider getting your hands on an AMD Ryzen CPU for your next build. We've got 5 juicy reasons why AMD Ryzen CPUs deserve a spot in your rig. First thing first, let's talk about performance. AMD's Ryzen 7000 series can kick some serious butt. These bad boys are armed with the Zen 4 microarchitecture, and we are talking about massive performance gains compared to the previous generation. Now let's talk about numbers. The Ryzen 9 7950X 3D can outperform its direct predecessor, the Ryzen 9 5950X, by whopping 20% in a single core performance. And when it comes to multi-thread performance, these Zen 4 CPUs can pulverize their Zen 3 siblings. We are talking about a 30% boost in performance. Now, let's talk about efficiency, shall we? These Ryzen CPUs not only pack a punch in performance, but they also know how to keep things cool, calm, and collected. While other CPUs may chunk power like it's nobody's business, AMD takes a different approach. These processors are so efficient, they make other CPUs look like ravenous monsters. Take the Ryzen 9 7950X 3D for example. In current AAA games like Cyberpunk 2077, it sips a mere 80 watts of power. Meanwhile, its competitor, the Core i9 3900K, is wrapping up a whopping 160 watts or more. Now let's talk about the dollar. We all love getting the most bang for our buck, right? Well, with AMD Ryzen CPUs, you are in for a treat. These CPUs not only deliver outstanding performance and efficiency, but they also give you the best price-performance ratio. Just take a look at the Ryzen 7 7800X 3D and the Intel Core i7 13700K. They are neck and neck when it comes to price, but when you factor in the superior performance and the efficiency of the Ryzen CPUs, it becomes crystal clear who the winner is. AMD definitely takes the crown. If you're building your dream PC and you want to future-proof it, AMD's products are a better choice. With their Zen 4 processor and the M5 platform, you've got the golden ticket to a better upgrade path. AMD promises to keep the upgrade path of the M5 platform open until at least 2026. For example, you may be able to upgrade your Ryzen 7000 with the upcoming Ryzen 8000 and Ryzen 9000 generations after updating the BIOS of your M5 motherboard. This means Zen 5 or maybe even Zen 6 processor may still run on your M5 motherboard. So, if you are in it for the long haul, AMD offers a better future-proofed solution. At last, let's talk about the feature set of these Ryzen CPUs. AMD doesn't hold back when it comes to delivering top-notch features that make your tech-loving mind excited. With technologies like AMD Expo for memory management, AMD SAM for direct access to a graphics card, and open source drivers for Linux, you've got a winning combination. Unlike some other guys, AMD embraces open standards that work with almost any hardware. Plus, who doesn't love the option of using free operating systems based on Linux? You have the freedom to choose your own path in the tech world. AMD is still the underdog of the PC world. They are like that scrappy little guy who walks into the ring and everyone underestimates him. But once that bell rings, AMD may come out swinging, delivering knockout performance that leaves Intel wondering what has just happened. So, if you're ready to unleash the beast inside your PC and experience the true power of Ryzen CPUs, don't hesitate to go with the Team Red. AMD Ryzen CPUs can definitely take your tech game to a whole new level. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time.